Hi, everyone. It's Lori LeBay, the founder of Alzheimer's Speaks. And during the month of December, I'm going to be collaborating with Suzanne Newman, who is the host of Answers for Elders and the Senior Resource Network. And we are going to be bringing you gift ideas for seniors as well as those who care for them. So we hope you find them helpful. I am back with gift idea number 5. This time, I want to talk about great activities for your loved one and for their families as well. Maria's Place is one of the original activity resources for families and professionals alike. They have a free library with hundreds of activities for older adults and caregivers. You will find crafts, creative writing, recipes, coloring, mind and body games, and so much more. They also have great gift activity boxes that you can purchase and you can drop those off or you can send them as a monthly surprise. Check out mariasplace.com. That's mariaplace.com. The second one I'm going to mention is called Connectivities. And Connectivities has a focus on making connections, reminiscing, and therapy as well. And their products are for seniors, and they're a great way to engage and have fun at home, in therapy, or senior centers, or adult day programs. And all of these kits are hands on activities that have actually been tested by the founder's own residents in their memory care homes. They're fun, they are purposeful, and a great way to connect. Connectivities offers, again, a wide range of engagement activities. So go to their site and check them out and see what might be of interest to you. And again, you can just go to Connectivities, Connectivities.us. And last, I'm going to mention Always Home Connected. This is another group that offers activity kits and dementia engagement and comfort products like Twiddles, which are soft therapeutic comfort and activity aids, to robotic pets for seniors, the Hug, which is an award-winning sensory product designed to be cuddled, to various games and puzzles. They offer activity kits which have 10 different activities to engage your loved one. They also have group boxes if you want the family or if you want to purchase one for their community. And they have one called a parent engagement box, which is great for adult children and grandchildren and friends to gift, as well as an on-the-go activities box. So check out Always Home Connected at, again, alwayshomeconnected.com. And last, all of these can once again be found on Dementia Map Global Resource Directory at dementiamap.com.